Hello and welcome back everyone to the next episode on SAP Build Apps Low Code No Code Application Development Training with me Anubhav on anubhavtrainings.com. In our last session we talked about the concept of marketplace using a composite marketplace control, working with spinner and also adding dynamic formatting. Together with that, we set up SAP mobile service for our application so that we can utilize the mobile service to be able to build an Android build. We also learned about how to establish a dependency between the mobile service in SAP BTP and SAP Build apps. As part of today's session, we are going to continue and we will discuss about the APK build for Android. So let's get started. Icon is there, APK. And now you can just choose version 1.0.0 and start the build process. Superb. Awesome. So that will start now the build process. What it does, it creates the build using SAP mobile service actually. SAP mobile service, it creates the build actually. That is what computer is going to do for us. Fabulous, guys. Fabulous. So let's wait until the build is complete so that we will be able to download the APK and use the APK in our mobile phone. So guys, after a few minutes, as you can see, now the build is complete and you can see the Android build is ready. So I drill down and click on download button to download this APK in my laptop. And what I will be doing, as you all expecting, that I will be downloading this in my laptop. Let me save it. And once it's downloaded, we will be copying it in our mobile phone. So I will also connect to my mobile phone just to show you the whole process end to end. Yeah, this is my mobile phone. And I will go back to my download where the APK got downloaded. Copy that in my mobile phone, Samsung Galaxy device in the downloads directory. So let's go and probably do that. So we'll go to mobile phone and download section and paste the APK here. Yeah, done. Superb. So once it is done, it's the time to go to mobile phone and show you the process. So I go to my files, my download files, and I can now find my APK. Wow. I try to install. It asks me to give permission to this file. So you can see the app is installing now. It will take few seconds and now Wahala, you can see now our app is successfully installed. Beautiful. So we can open the application. So this is now available as part of native mobile experience and anybody can access this application. So first of all, it will ask you to authenticate yourself by taking you to the login screen. You will accept the license agreement and now it takes you to the login screen of SAP identity provider, which is configured for this app. So you should be able to log in now. So it has made my application or my Visor screen blank because now I am able to see a login screen and I'm logging in with my user ID and password. So when you are practicing this at that time, it will show you the login screen actually. So I just log in now, and after login, you can see our app is now launching. Perfect. So we can click next button and allow. And Wahala, there you go. Our entire application is now live in action and we can utilize the application. Let's add a product to the cart and then we can just go back and add again. And then we can view the cart. So you can see the data is coming out nicely and we will also be able to see all the information readily available for us on our UI.